In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoom with Slack. By the end, you'll have Zoom connected to your Slack workspace, so you can launch meetings and share details without leaving your channels. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Zoom account and that your Slack workspace allows app installs. If you're on a managed account, you might need an admin to approve apps first. Begin on your Zoom homepage. Look for the three-dot icon, often shown as an ellipsis. Depending on your layout, this may appear along the left sidebar or near the top of the page as a More option. Go ahead and click that three-dotted line. This opens an extended menu where Zoom keeps additional features, including its app integrations. From that menu, click on Apps. The Apps section is your direct route to Zoom's app marketplace and any integrations you already use. If you don't see apps, it's usually because your organization has restricted access or the menu is collapsed. In that case, try expanding the sidebar or checking with your Zoom admin. When the Apps page opens, you'll see a search bar at the top and a selection of featured apps below. In the search bar, type Slack. As you type, Zoom will filter results so you can quickly find the Slack integration. You're looking for the official Slack app listing that connects Zoom with your Slack workspace. The listing should clearly mention Slack and show that it's designed to help you start and manage Zoom meetings from within Slack. Take a moment to verify you've selected the correct app to avoid installing lookalike tools. Once you've found it, click Add. This is the key action that links the two platforms. After you click Add, Zoom may display a permission screen explaining what the integration can do. For example, start meetings or share meeting details in Slack. Review those details, then follow the on-screen prompts. You might be asked to sign into Slack, choose the correct workspace, and confirm the permissions. If you're already signed in, it should move through these confirmations quickly. When the process finishes, you'll see confirmation that the Slack integration has been added, and Zoom will be ready to work with your Slack workspace. That's it. Click the three dots, open Apps, type Slack, and click Add. If you ever need to adjust or remove the integration later, return to the Apps section in Zoom to manage it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother workflow with Zoom and Slack connected.